Okay, welcome again to a continuation of that same video. Now we are still in 2013 objective questions. Now we look at, in our last video we stopped at number 43, so we continue from there. Number 44, question number 44 says calculate the value of y in the figure below. Now if you look at this figure, you can see that this is actually sum of angle at a point, because all the angles are at a point. They are at a point here. See, this is what we mean by a point. So all this angle 152, 108 y degrees, all these angles are at a point. And of course, you know that sum of angles at a point is equals to 360 degrees. So we have that. So let's sum everything. Sum of everything, that is 152 degrees plus 152 degrees plus 108 degrees plus y degrees, and that will give us 360 degrees. The reason is that these are sum of angles at a point, so when you sum them together you get that. So you can actually take care of this. So get your rough. Remember, your rough must always be by your side for you to solve very well. So get your rough quickly. Let's do that to help as many who are still having some issue in doing this. So let's do that. 152 plus 108. So add up that. 2 plus 8, you have 10. Keep 0, carry 1. 1 plus 5, we have 6. So 2 plus 8, we have 10. Keep 0, carry 1. 1 plus 5, we have 6. 1 plus 1, we have 2. So 260. So our answer there, this part is 260. So this plus this give us 260 degrees plus y degrees. So you have that. Now we can actually, it is equal to 360 degrees. So we can solve it. Remember that you have your y degree, because I want to move this other one to the next one. Degrees equals to 360 degrees minus, you know, this is positive. So if I'm moving it, becomes a negative. So minus 260 degrees. So by the time you take care of that, 360 minus 260 will give us 100 degrees. So that is our answer. Our answer is 100 degrees. Now if you go to your options and check, the correct option there is A. The correct option is A. So I've indicated that in our solution. I've indicated that, you can see. So the next question number 45. Question number 45, quickly. Question number 45. Question number 45 says, calculate the simple interest on 600 naira. 600 naira for 2 years at 4% per annum. At 4% per annum. That is simple interest question. Don't forget the formula of simple interest. We have the simple interest I is equals to P times R times T all over 100. That is the principal, which is the money you're dealing with, the rate, which is in percentage, and of course the time. Time is in years. So if it's a month, try to convert it to years. If it's a month, just divide it by 12 to get it in years. So that is how you deal with that in years. So let's go back to the question. We have to calculate the simple interest. Just go ahead. Now our principal, they say we should calculate the simple interest on 600. 600 become our principal. Our time is 2 years. So we have 600 in naira, don't forget, times our time, which is in years. So we have 2 years. From the equation we have 2 years, and the rate. Okay, let me change this. This will be 4, because that is our rate. Our rate is the percentage. Our rate is the percentage, which is 4. So our time is 2. So you can see that our rate is 4. Our time is 2. So all over 100. Now you can quickly divide this. So 0 can cancel 0. 0 can cancel 0. So we just multiply what we have up here. So multiply that, we have it in naira. 6 times 4, we have 24. 6 times 4, we have 24. So take up your rough. 24 times 2. 24 times 2, because that is what 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 times 2. Remember, you're not going to use calculator, so you have to just make use of the timetable. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer is 48. So we have 48 naira. That will be the simple interest, 48 naira. Now if you check, the correct answer there is D. Easy. Now, question number 46. Question number 46 says, find the value of x in the equation 3 over x equals to 6 over 5. 3 over x equals to 6 over 5. Number 46. 3 over x is equals to 6 over 5. So we have that question with us here. So we can go ahead. Now it's just cross multiplication. So this time this, this time this. So since we are looking for x, I will deal with that first. I'll bring that first on the left hand side. Bring the other one on the right hand side. So this time this time that is cross multiplication. So x times 6, we have 6x is equals to 3 times 5 is 15. So that we have x, or if you divide both sides by 6, divide here by 6, divide here by 6. If you do that, 6 will cancel 6. So we now have our x to be equals to this will divide this. So we can actually leave it in mixed fraction, because from what I'm seeing in the option, you can look at the option now. The options we are seeing, it's not in improper fraction, so we have to take it to mixed fraction. So actually have x to be 15 over 6. So we take it to mixed fraction. So but before we do that, let's reduce this first. So we have 15, we have 6. There is a common number that can divide the numerator and denominator, and that is 3. 3 can go into 15, 5. 3 can go into 6, that is 2. So we have 5 over 2. 3 can go into 15, we have 5. 3 can go into 6, that is 2. I don't know, so we can still reduce this. So 2 will go into 5, that will be 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, remaining just 1. So 1 over what we used to divide, that is 2. So this is a mixed fraction of that equation. So if we look at that, we must have this answer. So let's check. The answer is D. So the answer is D. I indicate that from the options. Now question number 47. Question number 47. Question number 47 say Ima Kene has Y kobo. Benny has 15 kobo, less than Ima Kene. How much do they have all together? Now this question, you need to take a little time, look at it again. Don't just rush it. Take a little time, look at it again. You can read it over and over again until you get the understanding. Now all together means I'm going to get what Ima Kene has and what Benny has. Then if I get the two of them, I can join them together. Then get my answer. It's as simple as that. Don't forget that Ima Kene. So Ima Kene has Y kobo. Ima Kene has Y kobo. So the next part say Benny has 15 kobo less than Ima Kene. That means Benny has what Ima Kene has. Benny has what Ima Kene has. Then less than, which means minus less than 15 kobo, which means he has what Ima Kene has, but it's less than 15. That means Ima Kene, which has 15, it will now be minus. It has Y already, so that will be Y minus 15. Y minus 15. So after getting this, we can go ahead and solve our equation. So the next thing say all together. So all together is just the total. So the total will be the summation of the what Ima Kene has and what Benny has. So that will be equals to Y plus Y minus 15. So Y plus Y minus 15, that is this plus this. So Y plus Y is what? Y plus Y is 2Y. So minus 15. Minus 15. So that is our answer. Minus 15. So we have 2Y minus 15. 2Y minus 15 is our answer. And if you check your option, the correct answer to that is C. So I've indicated that is C. It's here. Number 48. Number 48. Now number 48, the question says, find the coefficient of xy in the expansion. In the expansion, x minus 4y, that is bracket x minus 4y, into another bracket 2x plus 3y. We just have to expand this before we can get the coefficient of xy. So let's go ahead and expand this. So we have x minus 4y bracket 2x plus 3y. So we'll go ahead and expand this. Remember I say you can use the first bracket to multiply the second bracket, or you use the second bracket to multiply the first bracket, but let's use the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So let me write that that. So I have x, I'm just doing this for the first time, x into the second bracket 2x plus 3y. The next one minus 4y. So we have 2x plus 3y. So I have this. So the moment we have this, we are good to go. We have this, we have this. So we are good to go. So we just use what is outside to multiply what is inside. So we go on. Now x times 2x, we have 2x squared. That is 2 times 1. There is a 1 here. So 2 times 1 is 2. So you can have x times x squared. So x times 3y, alphabetically, you have, alphabetically means the, in your alphabet, your ABCD, the A to Z, you know which one to come first. So x times 3x, we have 3xy. We have 3xy. Now minus, now 4y times 2x. 4y times 2x, we have 8 rather, because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So minus 4y times 2x, that will give us minus 8xy. Now minus times plus, here we have a minus. Minus times plus, here we have a minus. So 4y times 12y times 3y rather. 4y times 3y will give us 12y squared. Remember, we have y here, we have y here. So y times y will give us y squared. So 4 times 4 times 3 will give us 12. Y times y will give us y squared. So that is why we're having that. So minus times plus will give us minus. So we can go ahead and work this out. Remember, this will come down. So we have about 2x squared. Now there's a plus here. There's a plus here. Please don't get confused with this. This and this are like terms. You can see we have sy, so we can actually solve them together. So we have plus here, we have minus here. So plus minus is minus. So we now say 8 minus 3. Plus minus is minus. So 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So keep a little space. You have 5xy. Now go and check between the two numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 8. Which one is bigger? So we have 8 to be the bigger one, and the sign in front of 8 is minus. So we have minus here. There's minus here. So attach minus. So our minus 12y squared. So this is the what come out of that expansion. Now we are interested in this. This is what we are interested in. This one. So the coefficient of xy in minus 5xy is equals to minus 5. Like I told you before, the number behind, sorry, if you want to look at behind, let's say at the back, it could be in front. If you call it front, I don't know where. If you're viewing it from your left hand, it's in front. If it's in front, if you're viewing it from your right hand, it's at the back. So the number behind. So if you're viewing it from your right hand, it's in front. If you're viewing it from your left hand, it's at the back. So it's always at the back. So the number behind your those variables that its equation mentioned is your coefficient. So the coefficient is minus 15, minus 5 rather, not minus 15, minus 5. So that is question number 48. Now if you go and check the solution to that question number 48, the solution, the correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. So with this will be the end of this particular video. That was an interesting video. We learned a lot on Uncle Sam tutorials. We're able to solve so many equations. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click on the subscription button like you're seeing. Click on the subscription button, it's just beneath the video. Click the subscription button. And don't forget, subscribe, invite your friends, invite them to subscribe. Subscribe yourself. Please subscribe our channel so that you get interesting videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channels, and as soon as you subscribe, you see that you will never miss any of our videos. So subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video. New videos will be posted, so your comments are welcome. Please send your comments to me. Check on the comment bar below. Make your comments. Tell me what you feel about the video and questions you need us to solve, and we'll quickly solve that for you. Bye for now.